Have you ever imagined a sheepdog saving the day in the wildest way possible? Well, brace yourself. In Greece, as wildfires rage on, an emergency helicopter needed to make a critical landing, but the field was packed with goats. Enter the hero, a sheepdog with a mission. With precision and speed, this incredible canine cleared the field, ensuring a safe landing for the firefighting team. It's a moment straight out of an action movie, proving once again, man's best friend might just be nature's true guardian. Who needs superheroes when you got dogs?